Every building you step into relies on skilled professionals to keep it running. HVAC technicians are the experts behind heating, cooling, ventilation, and air quality, making them an essential part of modern life. As buildings continue to advance, so does the demand for trained HVAC professionals. TMCC offers a Construction Technologies AAS emphasizing HVAC plus skill certificates and stackable credentials to get you workforce ready. Our labs are designed to mirror real job sites and give you hands-on experience using industry-grade equipment, from multimeters and vacuum pumps to leak detectors and automated building systems. You'll cover massive refrigeration theory, heating and air conditioning, while navigating boilers, chillers, and electrical controls. All the skills you need to start a career in HVAC. Competitive salaries vary by specialty, and earning potential will grow with experience. Start climbing the ladder to success and enroll at the HVAC program at TMCC today.